Hope I am not the only one who used to test meat while cooking, right? So if you used to test meat while cooking, please comment below. I would like to say hi to you as my fellow. Come back to my channel once again. Lucy the Magic Maker is back again. So guys, today we are making rice, beans and so follow stew, me, right? Let us create some magical in the kitchen, okay? So this is my well selected beans. It is ready. My rice is also ready. We are getting ready to do the magic, right? So guys, don't tell me you don't use tin tomatoes. Me, I use those. So in case you don't use, so it is your own cup of tea, right? So everybody has what is working for them, right? So do what works for you, okay? My tin tomatoes and my fresh tomatoes, everything is ready. Here is my protein, and this is my regular natural simple spices: jima, tiger curry, tiger thyme, and no, right, with Benny. I am okay with that. So these are the simple stuffs I use. So my protein is getting cooked, and everything is getting well ready. So at this point, I just want to allow it cook for some minutes, and while I start frying my tomatoes, right, I have to put in my vegetable oil. So I will start with the other part of it. My onions, my curry powder is already in the oil, and we have started. Guys, come with me. Let's do this magic. You can't imagine the aroma in my kitchen right now. Honestly, only this curry powder is amazing. And guys, I observe one thing about what do they call it? Bay leaf. Right, bay leaf gives me this kind of amazing aroma in the food. I don't know why. I don't know if I am the only person who observed that, but you see bay leaf. So at this point, I have to check my rice and also continue with stirring the tomatoes, right? And here comes my spices, and right about now, I'm about to put in my protein inside the tomatoes here, because everything is almost getting ready at this moment, right? My protein is already there, and I have to pour in the stock. Yeah, the stock is already getting inside. At this moment, my rice is almost ready, so I had to check, and I see that yes, it is ready, right? Here is my stew. My stew is my stew is ebel. My stew is amazing. So I have to dance because I won. Yes, I won. I finally create some magical again, right? So guys, my stew is ready, right? At this moment, guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, okay? Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That is the only way you can support me. Follow me, like this video. Thank you so much. I was just here. I want to taste the food, and again, I burnt my mouth. I don't know why. I don't too they like hot food like that, but what's not go do? I must test them. And guess what? It's sweet me, and I go test them again. Thank you so